Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Are you planning to revamp your living spaces anytime soon? There are several wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces you can use to do just that in style. In today's fast-paced world, the importance of our living spaces cannot be overstated. They are not just places to rest, they are sanctuaries that reflect our personalities, values, and lifestyles. As we spend more time at home, especially in the wake of recent global events, the desire to create spaces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing has grown significantly. Among the various materials available for home decor, wood stands out as a timeless choice that brings warmth, texture, and a sense of connection to nature. Wooden furniture and decorative pieces play a vital role revamping our living spaces. Before diving into the specifics of incorporating wooden elements, it is essential to understand what makes a living space feel inviting and comfortable. At its core, a well-designed space balances functionality, aesthetics, and emotional resonance. The arrangement of furniture, the choice of colors, and the incorporation of personal items all contribute to how we experience our environment. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating a sense of harmony in a space often begins with understanding its purpose. Each area of the home serves a different function, whether it's a living room meant for relaxation and socializing, a bedroom for rest, or a home office designed for productivity. By considering the intended use of each space, we can make informed decisions about how to revamp it effectively. Wood has been a fundamental material in human history, used for everything from construction to crafting intricate art pieces. Its versatility and natural beauty make it an ideal choice for home decor. The organic qualities of wood create a sense of warmth and comfort that can be difficult to replicate with synthetic materials. This intrinsic beauty contributes to the overall ambience of a space, evoking feelings of tranquility and grounding. Moreover, wood is a sustainable resource when sourced responsibly. This aspect appeals to a growing demographic of environmentally conscious consumers who prioritize eco-friendly choices in their homes. Incorporating wooden furniture and decor not only enhances the aesthetics of a space, but also aligns with a commitment to sustainability, making it a double win for homeowners. When revamping a living space, one of the primary goals is to create a cohesive design that flows seamlessly from one area to another. Wooden furniture and decorative pieces can serve as unifying elements in this design process. The natural variations in wood grain and color can complement a wide range of interior styles, from rustic to contemporary. By selecting wooden pieces that share similar tones or finishes, you can establish a harmonious aesthetic throughout your home. For instance, pairing lighter woods with soft, neutral palettes can create an airy and open feel, while darker woods can add depth and sophistication. This intentional selection fosters a sense of continuity, allowing different areas of the home to feel connected without being overly matchy. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, wooden furniture and decor play a crucial role in enhancing the functionality of a space. A well-designed piece of furniture not only looks good but also serves a purpose, contributing to the overall efficiency of a room. For example, wooden furniture can provide ample storage solutions, helping to declutter spaces and maintain organization. This practical aspect is especially important in smaller living areas, where maximizing space is essential. Thoughtfully designed wooden pieces can offer hidden compartments or multifunctional uses, allowing homeowners to make the most of their square footage. Furthermore, the tactile nature of wood can enhance the sensory experience within a space. The warmth of a wooden surface invites touch, creating a more inviting atmosphere. This sensory engagement is vital in making a space feel lived in and personal, as it encourages interaction with the environment. Wood has a unique ability to evoke emotions and memories. The history of a piece, its craftsmanship, and the stories it carries can create a profound connection between the object and the homeowner. This emotional resonance is particularly important when revamping living spaces, as the goal is often to create an environment that feels personal and meaningful. Incorporating wooden elements can remind us of nature and the outdoors, fostering a sense of peace and well-being. The presence of wood can evoke feelings of nostalgia, comfort, and even adventure, depending on the context. This emotional connection can transform a living space into a true reflection of the homeowner's identity, making it a source of pride and joy. In a world dominated by mass production, the value of craftsmanship has become increasingly appreciated. Wooden furniture and decorative pieces often carry a level of artistry that is hard to find in factory-made alternatives. The skill and attention to detail that go into crafting wooden items contribute to their uniqueness and character. When revamping a living space, investing in quality wooden pieces can elevate the overall design. Well-crafted items not only stand the test of time, but also tell a story. Each scratch, knot, and imperfection adds to the narrative of the piece, making it a cherished addition to the home. This appreciation for craftsmanship fosters a deeper connection to our living spaces, encouraging us to take pride in the items we choose to surround ourselves with. Wood comes in a variety of colors and textures, allowing for endless possibilities when it comes to design. The natural variations in wood grain can serve as focal points within a room, drawing the eye and adding interest to the overall aesthetic. Whether you prefer the warm hues of oak or the rich tones of mahogany, there is a wooden option to suit every taste. In addition to color, the texture of wood can significantly impact the feel of a space. Smooth finishes can create a sleek and modern look, while rough-hewn surfaces can evoke a rustic charm. The interplay of different textures within a room can create depth and dimension, enhancing the overall sensory experience. When revamping a living space, consider how the colors and textures of wooden elements can complement or contrast with other materials in the room. For example, pairing smooth wooden surfaces with soft textiles can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while mixing different wood finishes can add a layer of complexity to the design. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.